In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion AI template. If you want to build a useful Notion template without starting from a blank page, this process makes it much easier. The goal is to use AI to help you plan the structure, then bring that layout into Notion, refine it, and turn it into something you can reuse again and again. Start by deciding what kind of Notion template you want to create. Be specific here because the clearer your idea is, the better the result will be. For example, your template could be for project management, content planning, habit tracking, studying, client workflows, or personal organization. Think about the main purpose of the template, who it is for, and what information needs to be included on the page. Next, use a Notion prompt to ask AI to create the structure, sections, and database fields. This is where you describe the template you want in plain English. Ask for a clear page layout, useful headings, and recommended properties for any databases you plan to include. If you already know the type of workflow you want, mention that too, so the AI can generate something more tailored and practical. Once you have that structure, create a new Notion page for the template. Give it a clear name that matches its purpose, and make sure you're starting with a clean workspace. This helps keep the template organized from the beginning and makes it easier to review the layout as you build. Now paste or build the AI-generated layout inside Notion. You can copy the structure directly if it is already written out, or manually recreate the sections one by one. As you do this, pay attention to spacing, headings, and the overall flow of the page. A clean layout makes the template much easier to use later. After that, add databases for tasks, notes, projects, or trackers, depending on what your template needs. This is an important step because databases turn a simple page into a working system. Add the fields that make sense for your use case, such as status, due dates, categories, priorities, or progress indicators. Once everything is in place, test the template by adding sample data. This helps you see whether the layout actually works in practice. Try filling in example tasks, notes, or project entries, and check that the sections feel logical and easy to use.